Bobby. I'm from the Chattanooga Public Library, and this week we're going to do the House of Cards for our STEM challenge. And I have some friends with me to help me. I have my daughter Jody, who's here with me. And who else do we have with us today?
I'm Courtney.
I'm Mamie.
I'm Lynn, and this is my daughter Josie. Hello.
And so today we have, some of us have playing cards. Some of us might have index cards and other kind of cards from different games, or even a game that you can actually build with the house of cards from. And so one thing that you might want it to do is if your table is kind of smooth and slick, you might put down a placemat. You might even put down a piece of construction paper or even a plain piece of paper, just so that it's not too slippery for your cards to stand on. And the first thing that you want to do is make a base for your house. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two cards. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to take two cards and sort of make an X or a T. And I'm going to hold the corner of them. And then I'm going to hold another card up and see if that'll be stable enough for it. Yep. Oh, well, almost.
Oh.
So just keep trying and start building. And let's see who could build what.
I'm going.
Bobby, are there any ground rules for this? Any materials we are or are not allowed to use?
No, even if you find that they don't really stay and you really want to build a house, you could even use a piece of tape, or you can even use a sticky dot to help it stay stable until you get going even.
Okay, because I do have a lovely basket of washi tapes here in case they come in handy.
That might work too. So just keep building as much. Oops, there they go again. They get falling down. Every little breath you breathe, they fall down.
I'm getting decent at making my triangles to make my base, but then they fall over as soon as I get them next to each other.
Exactly.
So you're making triangles for a basement?
I was going to try to make triangles. I saw a picture of a friend who had made one, and she did rows of triangles, and then laid cards across the top of the triangles perpendicular to the triangles, and then that was a flat base, and then built like that. Right. So,
and that's exactly what I saw too. And so far I have 4 cards standing. I'm afraid to go any higher. But we'll see what happens. Look at Jody. She's got hers going to town here with her index cards.
Oh, look at that.
I think she might be the winner.
Cool. My cards are a little, they're not very straight, so I'm going to have to start over with a different deck.
Not let them bend.
Oh, there's one card on the second floor.
I am
That's awesome.
Oh,
Can you see it, Josie? Can you see what Jody did?
yes, it's big. Mommy's doing good. She's actually gotten the first row done.
Yeah, you're doing
Very
really
nice.
good, then.
I still have new
So
ones.
it looks like index cards work very well for building.
Yes, I think they do. And if your parents give you permission to bend the playing cards, then I guess you could bend the playing cards.
That would really help me.
Or you can
Then the cat's down.
use tape.
Okay, so
I might even try a little bit of tape myself.
my playing cards are too new and too slippery.
I know,
Yeah,
mine are too.
Lynn, that's my problem too.
So I'm going to try this index.
Before you build your house of cards, a tip would be is to shuffle your cards a lot. And then maybe that might help it make it not so smooth. And remember, you're just playing.
That's right.
You know, you're having fun with your family. You could talk to your family while you're doing this. They could give you tips and ideas on how to do it. And you can, if you get frustrated with playing cards, you could go find something else to build with. Just as long as you create a structure.
Oh,
Aw.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Josie's reminded me of dominoes.
oh yeah.
You could probably stack some dominoes and do some cool stuff with them.
Oh
That's-
yeah. You
that's
could build
probably
really cool
And you
stuff
know
out of
what?
dominoes.
Even if it gets harder, I mean, if it gets frustrating for you, don't let it get frustrating. Just have fun.
That's
I mean,
right.
it's gonna fall down. It took me about 5 or 6, 7 times to do just this. I have the triangles up and the second floor, but I haven't gotten any higher, but I keep trying. And
Oh,
so
yeah,
just
you've
keep
got some
trying.
nice little stamps going on there, Bobby.
They're tall. Mimi, how are you doing down there?
I've built a tiny bit and had it fall down several times, so I'm
Yeah.
working on the base layer again.
Are you doing the triangles?
I've tried a few different ways, but yeah, I'm trying the triangles now.
The triangles seem to work better for me than what somebody else said. So it's just whatever.
Yeah.
Oops, there they go.
It's like a Zen practice.
Said and done. You worked hard. You did a good job.
I'm
Nothing.
very impressed with Jody's towers. Those are
I
so
am too.
cool.
So it seems like the index cards really do work.
Index cards. I'm gonna
Yeah.
do the index cards. That sounds more fun to me.
Yeah, and you could fold those. Jody says, "Don't bump the table, Mom."
Right?
Josie
Or
just
don't even breathe.
Yeah, really.
See here. Where do I go from here is the question.
Baby cat.
That is a good question, Courtney.
Bro.
Ah,
Aw.
Okay, Mom. She's doing it. Just don't make it.
Is she doing it? Aw.
You're using tape.
I am using tape. I'm gonna see if that really works.
it helps, but it's not foolproof.
yeah.
Yeah, so make sure you take pictures of your projects and then upload them to the file then. Oh, good, you can go for it.
I made 4 layers bending them. Da, da, da.
Da, 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 da.
Wow.
Yay!
Oh, wow.
That's
As far as the
impressive.
House of Cards go, I think Lynn got it.
That is awesome.
You got skills.
Take a picture.
Yeah, we're gonna take a picture of this one, and we'll take a picture of. I'm gonna try hard to do it with real cards, like role playing cards. So
Wait, are we almost done?
we're almost done.
I need to hurry.
Josie's gonna hurry real quick. We'll take a
Yeah,
picture
I
of
need to hurry too.
that. Okay. Josie will make one out of all of her stackable cats.
All of our stackable ones.
Those are
Yeah.
so cool.
The Cat Tower is the name of that game.
And you
Stack
forgot
Tower.
one.
I like that.
Now
I'm
we're
also very impressed with how well index cards work too.
Yeah.
Yes, I am loving
it's-
the index card.
I think the index cards may be a little bit thicker, maybe.
It just helps to
like
be able to
that
bend them too.
And index cards are the best building materials.
I'm interested in how it would work with like doing it with the just regular stacks and the index cards too.
Oh yeah.
Like then they'd be taller. Would that be?
I know how to stand up a paper by itself. I've done that before.
Like a
Ooh.
sheet of paper?
You can stand up a sheet of. You're like a magician.
That is very cool.
I can't remember how I did it, but I did it once.
Josie, have you ever built a house of cards before?
Yes.
How tall did you get it before?
How tall is it?
Well, I usually started out small, so this is the first time I've gone big.
Oh. Has anybody else built a house of cards before?
I know I've tried.
Yeah, I think I've tried and maybe it was a little harder than I expected.
Yeah.
This is definitely harder. The cards things are definitely harder than I expected.
This will teach you all about,
Patience.
well, patience
Yes.
isn't part of science, trying and trying again, seeing
Totally.
feel works.
That's right.
If you want to be a scientist, you have to be prepared. You're gonna fail, like a bunch.
Yeah,
And you have to be prepared for that.
yeah.
That's right.
That's so
Right.
true.
That's good advice. That's
Yeah,
good
you-
advice for about anything, really.
Yeah.
Josie says that's the best part about being a scientist is that you get to try again.
There you go.
That's very cool.
And you may get farther next time.
Right. You use the knowledge that you got from your last try,
Right.
right? So this
Right.
time, I knew that the slick cards were too hard, so I got
And
the
I accidentally.
rough cards.
I know not to throw my cards at the thing.
Yes, don't throw your cards at your tower.
No.
It was lots of fun, guys. We'll take pictures. Yay!
Bye.
Bye for now. Remember, take pictures and upload it.